Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in English class with new lesson. It's me Asra Gulzar. Beta, today we are going to learn about adverbs and kinds of adverbs. So first of all, let's see what is adverb. What is adverb? Beta, adverbs are the words which modify the meaning of verb, adjectives and adverbs. Adverbs बेटे वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो verb, adjective और adverb के मीनिंग को modify करते हैं. Now what is the meaning of modify? Modify means it adds or change the meaning of verb, adjective and adverbs. So वो words जो verb, adjective और adverbs के meaning को change करते हैं और या modify करते हैं हम उनको adverbs कहते हैं. Now let's see the examples of adverbs, that how they change the meaning of verb. Beta, an action takes place in 4 ways. How does the action take place? Where does the action take place? When does the action take place? And how often the action take place? We will give the answer of these questions by examples, and you will also learn through these questions. You will learn the 4 kinds of adverbs. Beta, the first one is how does the action take place? Here are some examples. The alarm rang loudly. In this sentence, loudly is an adverb. The alarm rang, but how it rang? It rang loudly. So here loudly is an adverb and it tells us the manner in which the alarm rang. Second example is Harry ran quickly. Harry ran, but how he ran? He ran quickly. So in this sentence, quickly is an adverb which tells us the manners in which Harry ran. So the first kind is adverb of manner, which tells us that in which manner the action is going on or the action takes place. Okay, so the second one is where does the action take place? It will tell us about the place. It is an adverb of place. Put the cake there. Put the cake, but where? There. So there tells us the place, and it is an adverb. I looked everywhere for my book. I looked for my book, but where? Everywhere. So it tells us about the place, and it is the second kind of adverb is adverb of place. Third one is when does the action take place? When means it tells us about the time, that at what time the action take place. For example, Kriti went to gym today. Kriti gym कब गई है? Today. They go out to dinner weekly. वो weekly dinner के लिए जाते हैं. So the third kind tell us about the time, that at what time the action takes place. So the third kind of adverb is adverb of time. Fourth one is how often the action takes place. It will tell us about the frequency, that how often, how many times an action is happening. Sometimes he play cricket. वो cricket खेलता है, but when? Sometimes. So sometimes here is an adverb. Ritesh never smokes. So in this sentence, never is an adverb. So it tells us about the frequency, that how many times the action is happening. So the fourth kind is adverb of frequency. Beta, in previous examples we have seen that how adverbs modify the meaning of verb. So here are some examples which tell us that how adverbs modify the meaning of adjective. He is very happy today. But in this sentence, happy is an adjective and very is an adverb. So very tells us the intensity of happiness. Sia wore brightly colored dress in party. Colored dress is an adjective and brightly is an adverb which modify the meaning of adjective. Colored dress. Now let's see some examples that how adverb describes another adverb. The dancer moves so gracefully. But in this sentence, gracefully is an adverb and so is also an adverb which is modifying the meaning of gracefully and it means another adverb. The scientist quite easily solved the problem. The scientist easily solved the problem, but how easily? Quite easily. So the both are adverbs in this sentence and quite is modifying the meaning of another adverb that is easily. Let's revise beta what we learned today. We learned that adverbs are the words which modify the meaning of verb, adjective and adverbs. And modify means adds or change the meaning of verb, adjective and adverbs. And we learned the four kinds of adverb: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time and adverb of frequency. This is all about today beta. Okay, Allah Hafiz. See you in next lecture.